Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best wire hider is probably one of the most satisfying upgrades you can make to your home entertainment setup. It transforms a cluttered mess of cables into a clean, modern look. In this video, we'll explore the top wire hiding solutions, from simple cable management kits to more complex in-wall installations, helping you find the perfect way to conceal those unsightly wires and achieve a professional finish for your wall-mounted TV. Number 5. Delamu 157 inches cord hider for wires. Worried about exposed cords? This product offers superior flame retardancy, passing the UL94V0 rating. It ensures a safer environment for your family, giving you peace of mind. Installation is a breeze with the upgraded snap structure. This design makes it incredibly easy to set up, using a simple click-on and off mechanism. Organizing your cables has never been easier. Tired of cluttered cables? This cord hider helps you hide and organize those unsightly wires in your home or office. You'll love having a tidy space with more room to move around. Made with high-quality PVC material, this product is sturdy and durable. It's free of impurities and color differences, ensuring a premium look and feel. This is a great choice for cable management. No professional help is needed. With easy-to-use instructions, you can solve all your messy wire problems. Just one simple change can give your living room a new look. Protect your children and pets from playing with dangerous cords. This product ensures that all spaces with electronics are safe for kids and pets. It's a great protector for your family. This product comes in 10 pre-cut pieces and can be easily spliced to fit your needs. You can paint it to match your walls and cut it to any length. Decorate your living room with ease. What we like. This Delamu cord hider is made of flame-retardant material, ensuring safety for your family. It features an easy snap structure, making installation a breeze. If you have kids or pets, this is a great choice, as it protects them from potential hazards. You should consider this if you want a safe and easy-to-install solution. What people say. After installing these covers, they make the wall look neat. The cord lays in the slot nicely to allow you to slip on the cover easily. Very easy to use and to hide cords. They blended in perfectly with my white wall. A bunch of parts come to easily make the path you need to hide any cords. Skinny or thick, they will fit in multiple cords at the same time. Would recommend this to any friend or family. Number 4. D-line gray cord cover. This is a cable management solution designed to hide and protect surface cables. It improves appearance with its half-round profile, discreetly hiding cords. It also protects cables, making them less accessible to pets and infants. Hide your TV wires with this decorative gray cord hider. The patented hinge and click-lock lid provide easy access to cords, which is great when you upgrade your AV appliances. It is a perfect solution for your home. The single-piece 39-inch lengths make stylish cord covers for wall-mounted TVs. This length is sufficient for covering wall-mounted TV cord drops, unlike shorter lengths that often require multiple pieces and bulky connectors. This cord cover blends with your decor and can appear as the natural top section of baseboards. Accessory packs allow you to hide wires around most popular angles. It is designed to be user-friendly. It is easy to install, and no prior DIY or electrical know-how is required. The wire covers are produced from high-grade PVC and can be easily cut to size. Each length comes with strong self-adhesive backing. It is commonly used to hide cables on similar colored surroundings, but color contrasts can create a striking visual feature. For the perfect finish, it is fully paintable. Simply key the cable hider with fine sandpaper and apply 2 coats of paint. What we like. The D-line cord cover features a decorative half-round design that blends seamlessly with your decor. It is also paintable, allowing you to customize it to match your wall color. If you are looking for a stylish and customizable solution, this is the one for you. Consider this if you want a sleek and adaptable wire management system. What people say. Works perfectly for my purpose without gluing down. Save me from having to drill holes in the wall and run cables behind. Excellent product, just what I needed to cover up wires to my outdoor speakers. Number 3. Cord covers for wires on wall, 153 inches cable hider. Tired of messy cables? This cord hider transforms your space from a tangled mess to a beautifully organized area. It includes everything you need to conceal up to 153 inches of cables. Setting up is a breeze with the attach and snap design. This cord hider for TV can be installed in minutes using the built-in adhesive tape. You'll have a clean look in no time. Want it to blend in perfectly? This cable hider is paintable to match your wall color. It's slim and sleek, helping you create a polished and cohesive entertainment setup. Keep your family safe from tripping hazards and electrical accidents. This wire hider neatly organizes cables, creating a safer environment for children and pets. It's a simple solution for peace of mind. We are committed to providing top-quality cable management solutions. This product is built to last and backed by our satisfaction guarantee, so you can purchase with confidence. Get yours today. This is the perfect solution for hiding those unsightly wires. It's easy to install and customize to fit your needs. Get yours now and enjoy a cleaner, safer space. Say goodbye to cable clutter with this easy-to-use cord hider. It's a simple, effective way to organize your cables and improve the look of your home. Get yours today. What we like. This cord cover offers quick and easy installation with its innovative attach and snap design. Its paintable design allows it to blend with your existing decor. If you like a clutter-free and safe environment, this is the perfect choice. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution, you should consider this. What people say. They work very well. Very easy to use and it's paintable to match your decor. This is a good product, good size, fits a bunch of cords if you need it to, and I like the way the covers snap on rather than needing to slide on from the sides. Number 2. ECHOGEAR White Cable Management Kit. Are you looking for a clean look for your wall-mounted TV? This kit helps you hide those unsightly cables behind the wall. It's a simple solution for a tidy entertainment setup. Installation is a breeze with this DIY kit. All you need is a drill, and it takes only about 20 minutes. You'll be enjoying a cleaner look in no time. This kit is perfect for hiding various low-voltage cables, including HDMI and AUX cords. It can also accommodate in-wall rated power cables, ensuring a safe and organized setup. Just make sure they are in good condition. The included drywall hole saw attachment ensures a perfect fit for the grommets. The grommets lock securely onto the drywall. It's also a useful tool for other potential uses. The flexible pass-through grommets can comfortably fit up to 4 large HDMI cables. There's plenty of room for even your thickest cords, keeping everything neat and organized. Want to customize the look? These grommets are paintable, allowing you to match them perfectly to your wall. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in achieving a seamless look. Plus, we plant a tree for every unit sold. What we like. This ECHOGEAR kit allows for in-wall cable management, providing a clean look. It includes a hole saw drill attachment for easy installation. If you are looking for a solution that hides wires completely within the wall, this is the one for you. You should consider this if you want a clean and professional setup. What people say. This concept is great for cable management, so you don't have wires all over the walls. You can also paint them to match the wall color once installed for a cleaner look. Another nice feature is that unlike others which have plastic apertures that tend to fray cables, this one has a thick rubber membrane. Number 1. ECHOGEAR In-Wall Cable Management Kit. Tired of messy wires? This easy DIY kit from ECHOGEAR lets you route power and AV cables behind your wall quickly. All you need is a drill, and maybe a celebratory beverage after you're done. This pre-wired and ETL-certified kit keeps your home safe and up to code. You won't have to worry about electrical issues. It's a safe and reliable solution for your home. Place power modules up to 5 feet apart. The cable pass-through fits up to 4 large braided HDMI cables, with room for more. It's designed to accommodate various setups. The kit includes a drywall hole saw for a perfect fit and locking wings for secure attachment. Make sure there's at least 2.5 inches of space behind your drywall. It's designed for easy installation. The kit includes upper and lower modules, a 6-foot extension cord, a driver bit, and a hole saw drill attachment. Everything you need is in the box. It's a complete solution for your needs. What we like. This ECHOGEAR kit allows you to route power and AV cables behind the wall. It is ETL certified, ensuring safety and compliance. If you are looking for a safe and comprehensive in-wall solution, this is the one for you. Consider this if you want a reliable and code-compliant setup. What people say. This kit is an absolute dream for anyone who hates seeing dangling cables ruining an otherwise sleek setup. It's super easy to install, comes with everything you need, and delivers a professional-looking result without breaking the bank. The kit handles both power and low-voltage cables like HDMI and Ethernet, so my TV and streaming device are now powered and connected without a single wire in sight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.